Hello.
Hello,
Hi, Hannah. How are you?
I'm fine. Yeah, how are
I,
you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm so sorry for pushing our call. I hope it's okay.
No problem. I'm really flexible in the time.
I'm happy. Yeah, I could feel that. So that's amazing. You work from home?
Yes, I work from home, but I have on the other side I have horses to train.
Oh,
Um,
nice.
yes, and I can manage this when I want and which time I want. This is it's good. Yes,
That's amazing. Freedom, huh?
yes, yes, freedom.
Can you start introduce yourself? I would love to learn more about you.
Yes, I'm Hannah. I'm 25 years old, and I'm yeah in this spirit of what I want to do with my life from ending the school, the society school system, and yes to try the last years to find my way to live and to be free
Nice.
and to do a lot of opportunities to find what I really want, what is good for me. The horses were always there, and it's my main point in my life and my passion.
Amazing.
But yeah, to find a flexible and independent solution for the finance, to be more emotional, free
Yeah,
from the other industry, and yeah, this is why I go into the trading.
that's amazing. Where are you from?
From Germany.
Ah, from Germany. Yeah, I could hear on the accent a little bit
Yes.
German, Dutch, like that. So yeah, very nice.
Yes, yeah.
Amazing. I'm born and raised in Denmark my whole life, so I
It's
know
it's
I know
also
Germany very well.
it's a nice country. Yes, yeah,
Yeah, it's a slow country, not so much, but
yeah.
it's
But
a beautiful country, yeah.
it's a good people, really.
Yeah,
And
good people, definitely, yeah. Where
but
where where in Germany?
Hannover.
Hanover, yeah, of course I know.
Yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
nice, very nice. Okay, so now like I see you're very active. With your profits and so on. And let's get into that a little bit later.
Hmm?
So tell me, like you started with us, did you know anything about trading or you just saw us and started? How is the process?
I found trading a year ago
Okay.
with another mentor.
Okay.
I watched this, of course, on Instagram and on the social media platforms. And then I get in contact with another trader, a mentor.
Yeah.
And I start doing trading. Before I never did this in my life. And okay, I started to. This was with the I don't know the word in English. It's with when you can rent money from company.
Ah,
It's not
funded accounts.
yes, funded account. It's not my own
Yes.
money, but
Yes.
it's a little bit more safe.
You buy an
Um,
account for some money and then you
yes,
get, yeah.
yes. And I started to learn to trade, and there was also strategy. Yes, of course. Um, but now over a year, um, there were a lot of interesting developments. Yes, and
Yes.
of course some problems. And when you, I'm a person. When I really want something, I'm really into it. And
Yeah.
I don't stop when, okay, there's a mistake and I don't stop and I'm finished. No, but keep going. Okay. And after a year now, it doesn't
You didn't
feel
see
right.
the results you want to
Yes.
see or yeah.
It
Okay.
was first, it was okay. You can really quick earn money with this. You have to do the steps, yes. But when you go more into it and more
Yeah.
deeper,
It
I
becomes
found that you
difficult.
have to build a lot of accounts to be financial stable
Okay.
because the strategy was like going up, going down, and after some weeks you have one payout, and then the strategy is going down, and after maybe 5 or 6 weeks you have maybe another payout, and this is not stable, and this is not
It's not stable.
no. And for me, I want to live from this, and
Okay. So
it's not that I want.
you learned to trade a little bit yourself as well in
Yeah,
that period.
yes.
Okay. Very interesting.
So I learned to go mentally into this, get
Yeah.
mentally stable, yes, to learn about the market and how to do this, and to manage to do trades. And this, for example, was also really easy when I started with you,
Yes, of
to
course.
learn this really quick. It took 1 week to understand your strategy, and I was okay. I know what I have to do, and because it's important to know
Of
what
course,
you
yeah.
are thinking and what you're doing, and yes, but I follow you some months ago, yes,
Okay.
and it was not okay. I saw your account and I go into it. It was a lot of thinking because I also make bad decisions in the past. Yes,
Yeah.
you are really serious about to go into it, to put money into something, because I lost also money with
Yeah.
this scam. Yeah. And now with this one mentor, it was around 7,000 euro.
Yeah, that's a lot of money.
And
Yeah.
I get around 500, 600 out of this in 1 year. And this,
Wow.
yes, yes. And this is not what I want from me,
No.
because I have my plans. I have a passion, and I want to go big in my life.
Yeah.
Uh,
The thing with trading is like when I started many years ago, 8 years ago, you like you lost some money over a year. I lost money 3 years in a row, like a lot of
mm,
money, right? Everything because I really wanted to learn it. But that's the difference today. Like
yes.
I couldn't follow people like me at that time. It didn't
Mm,
exist. Today you can just follow people that are trading already and learn in a like we have people they make money first day. If they join in a good day, they make money
yeah,
first day. And
yeah,
that's the huge difference.
yeah. And it's only true. It was the same part to say, okay, this is my strategy, copy the trades. It's nearly the same, and to use this for yourself. But
Yeah.
you have to deal a lot with the companies, like funding alpha traders, funding traders, and
Yeah, it's headache. And then they can
they're
stop payout and
yes,
there's so
yes.
many things. Yes, I know.
They blocked accounts, they deleted accounts, they stopped
Yeah.
payouts, and then the mentors say, okay, it's not my problem. I give you the strategy, it's working, and the rest is your problem. So yes,
There's no
but
help.
no, this is, and then they told me, okay, uh, yeah, it's not my problem, it's working, it's your problem. So no, really no. And yeah, to do it, and now to because before I was going into your group, into your system,
Yeah.
I was really okay, I really thinking about this, but I'm a person, I really want to try,
Yeah.
and I want to make my experience by my own. This is why I put the minimum the minimum cash into this account
Yeah.
to find
But
out,
you
to
you
try.
try, and
Yes,
that's the yeah,
yes,
it's totally fine.
yes, and
When did you start?
I think 3 weeks ago.
Okay, so you saw one of like you saw me on Instagram or an ad or something.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, so you were open for the idea when you saw me, but you had like to think more about it, like because you have
Before
done
I
the
was
mistakes. Yeah.
before I was thinking about it, yes, because
Yeah.
okay, some people say, okay, this strategy is too high, it's too good to be true.
Yeah.
And they say no, no, because the most important traders don't have this win rate, and this is a scam. This is not
Yeah.
possible. And I would say, okay, yes, but you tell me this, and your system is built on other points. They're also not working, and yeah. But okay, everybody has to find for themselves
I
the best thing.
agree.
Yes.
Yes. And everyone works different. Like I would never say, hey,
Yes.
this guy doesn't work. I know so many traders, none of them work in the same way, but all of them
Yes.
make money. So
Yes.
it's possible. I know a trader, his win rate is 30%,
Mm.
but he's very profitable.
Okay. Yeah.
You can have that if you know what
Of
to
course.
do and how
Of
to do
course.
it. But if he goes out and say, I have a 30% win rate, people will laugh at him. They will think, what are you doing? But that's his strategy and it works because when he
Yes.
went a trade, he need, like, if he loses five trades, he make them back in one. Most
Mm,
traders, they make five trades, and if they lose one, they lost it all.
yes,
So it's another way of doing it. But I
yes,
agree. So you took, like, you saw it, you took a risk, you went in
mm,
with the minimum 3 weeks ago.
yeah.
So as someone with a background in trading, like you have been working in it in 3 years, what is your experience like if you started as a beginner with the
Mm,
way we've done it? Because most people start their beginners, like they don't know anything about
yes,
trading. Like you
yes,
1 year ago. What
yes.
is your feeling? Like, how is our process, the videos, the training? Like, what do you feel? Will it be easy for you to get started?
Um, I would say yes. It was really short explanation about the strategy. It's really simple. It's not that you have to watch a lot of and to go into this, or you have to yes, to understand so much. Okay, the MetaTrader 5, and to know how this works. For me, it was easy because I know it.
You already
Yes.
know it, yeah.
So for me, it was okay. This is the entry. This is the stop loss. This is take profit. Okay, nice, good. And um, I think it's not the way you working or you explain your strategy. It's more about trading.
Yes,
When people go into this to understand what is this about, this I think it's more the important way or the complicated way, but not the way you put the trades or you're doing this. Yes.
I agree. So what we've done is, most people that join, most people, they just want to make some money. They want to make, like,
Mm.
whatever can they make, 200 euros, 500 euros extra in a month,
Yes.
and that's it. Then they're happy. Some people, they want to live from it, like you. Of
Yes.
course, if you want to live, you want to spend more time, you want to learn more, and then we have more material. But when you
Yes.
start, it's very basic. 15 minutes videos, you watch
Yes.
them, you know how to copy paste, you know what
Yes.
the basic stuff means, and that's it. Do you want
Yes.
more? We have more, but you don't need to if you don't want to. So we
Yes.
have for both. I don't know, like, you've only been for 3 weeks now. So tell us, how have it been for these 3 weeks for you?
Yes, really interesting. First of all, I really want to understand your strategy, because when I know about this, I feel more
Yeah.
safe.
Yes.
Uh, because everybody trades different, yes, and I want to understand. Okay, what is your thinking? I'm like this. I want to understand everything.
Of course,
um,
and it's fair.
yes, and but and to try, because 300 euro is not, it's not much, and
No.
the money is not going up and down. It's really a small amount of money
Yes.
work with. Yes, it's not so mentally stress for you, and of the
Yeah, if you
because
lose, you lose a little bit,
yes, so
and
it's
that's, yeah.
it's not a problem, and yeah, and after I understand what you are doing, and to trust also in this, because it's really interesting that you really have to trust.
That's
And
the most important, and that's the hardest part because you
yes,
don't know me. This is first
yes.
time we speak, so it's very, you need to trust me through videos I make.
Yes. And
Yeah.
this was also because of the Instagram and on your YouTube account,
Yeah.
because there are also a lot of people out there to do the same, I would say.
Yes. Yes.
Um, but I also joined these groups, these free groups on Telegram, not going into the system, but joining these groups for some days to see, okay,
Yeah.
what they sent out. And there was a lot of messages, a lot of going
They
and this.
stress
Yes,
people. Yes.
yes. And to have 20, 30 message a day, we say, okay,
It's a
wow.
full-time job. Yeah.
And this is why I joined you, because you are so humble and so.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
really. It's like, okay, I can live next to you, and you're really a normal person who's really nice to other people, and you are open. And it's not like you feel you have to go into your group. It's like, okay, you can do it, but if you don't, okay, no problem.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes. And
I'm really trying to help people, and
yes,
if they want, they want. If they don't want,
yes,
I'm making my money, so
yes. And this is the best energy you can give when you have something really positive to give,
yeah,
but you have not the stress to make money out of this. Okay,
exactly.
you earn money from this,
Yeah,
yes,
I do. Yes,
but it's not like you have to push. You have to do marketing, marketing, marketing to get the life you have. So you make your own money and finish. And
exactly.
this, for me, I want the same energy
Yeah,
because then you feel really, you can really give this love and this freedom to other people. And
100%. 100%.
this was this energy I get from you, and this was for me the reason to join you. Um, yeah,
I'm happy to hear. Thank you. I appreciate it a lot. Like that's
yeah,
why I do what I do every day is to
yes,
hear what you're saying now because people I see so many people, right? Like they've joined us 1 year ago or 2 years ago, and
yeah,
today they live a total different life because they
mm,
put their trust in me. Of course, in the
yes,
end of the day, you have to do, I
of
show
course,
you, but you
of
have to
course,
do it. But as long as like you wanted to take the risk. You were open for the idea, but you were also skeptical, which is normal
yes,
human behavior. We have to be
yes,
skeptical, but it's good you take the risk, you try,
yes,
because if we don't do like we will never succeed. How is
yes,
how is your result so far these 3 weeks? So you started by you understood my strategy. My
yes,
strategy behind is very complicated. I cannot show it because it's very complicated. So we have tools, we have a lot of things,
yes.
analyst that is analyzing the market 24/7 and so on. But we give it in a very simple way.
Yes. Yeah, this was also for me. I mean, you send out some numbers and people make amazing profits. So it's
Yes.
I know because I know a little bit about okay what is in the background because you are going into the market when we are going into the other direction and you are going we're making profits with the other direction. So
Yes,
to
sometimes, yeah.
know okay and exactly this point because sometimes you're sitting in front of your smartphone saying okay this is not the direction we want and to trust you and to say no in this exactly moment we are going up or down whatever this has a big yeah it's a big analyze in the background and I yes
There's
I
there's
understand
a lot of work in each
yes
signal. So when I do a trade, I'm putting my own money on it. And again,
yeah
for you, you need to say, "Oh, why did he do that?" And you have to
mm,
trust it in the moment and go
yes
into it. But as long as you look at the results, yes, of course we lose some trades. It's very normal. We have to lose. We cannot win. But in the end of
yes
the day, if you look, okay, on a monthly basis,
mm,
what like how many trades did we take? How many did
mm,
we lose? How many did we win? And you are profitable. That's what
yes
matters in the
yes
but most people when they go into this, they don't want to lose one trade. They want to win all of them.
mm,
And that's
yes
where you lose the game.
yes yeah. It's this was also nice to understand because I like to yeah get more information because okay I don't know the background of all this but to yeah to understand what you're doing and what is your thinking about this and to be really inspired about this because for me okay I like the way to trade but you
Yeah.
like to do also the background so and
Yes.
this is your it's your passion it's what you okay what
It's what
gives
I've
you
been doing for
feeling
so many years, It's
yes
it's different, but I like how you think about it. Like you really want to understand it, you really
yes
want to learn, and
yes
that's where you can take it to full time and even more in
yeah
time, of course. But most people they don't just want to make like some extra cash and then they are happy, then they stop, and
yeah
that's also fair. So it
of course
depends who you are as a person.
of
How
course
is your result so far these 3 weeks? Like what have you done?
um now I'm nearly break even if in
Okay.
this I was in the profit I was like 40 or 50 euro in profit and I
Yeah.
was trying a little bit I was because a little bit used the money to understand and to try
Yeah.
and
So you were testing 3 weeks,
yes
just testing.
yes
Okay.
was testing and with the entry to see what is the best way to get into this and to understand some situations and also the lot size was very
Yeah.
important
Yes, of
because
course.
Yes, because I'm with 0.02 around this. And okay, when you put maybe one more, it's in completely another
So,
situation.
yes, it is.
Yes, and this was only to try for me and
Got
to
it.
understand. And it was not okay, I know, or to see, okay, we I can make money with this, yes,
Yes,
but
and you
also
don't have to rush it. Like,
yes,
take your time until you
yes,
feel, okay, now I'm confident. Now I understood
yes.
it. Yeah.
And only to see, because to put more money into this is not the problem. It's more
Mm.
like, okay, you can handle this and you understand this and you can deal with this in every day. And this was more my into my
Yeah.
yes my doing the last weeks. And
Interesting.
yes, to see, okay, is this going well, and is this a project to develop more.
Yeah.
And yes, after these 3 weeks, I would say definitely yes. This
Amazing.
is also good to talk to you what you thinking and what is from is my plan and what you're
Yeah.
thinking about this. And yes, it's really nice.
I think it's great. And what you did is because you want to learn more, you didn't just
Mhm.
focus on the profit, you want to understand it.
Yeah,
Very good. Now you're ready, or maybe you need a couple of weeks more. Just take it slowly, no rush. You've already
yeah,
been in the game for a long time. Take it
yes,
slowly, step by step. And then let's again, maybe in 2 months or something, jump on a call, speak again, see how did things go with you, where
Mhm.
are you at? And hopefully at that time, you'll have made a lot of money, and the year you've spent will be
Yes,
not just for nothing.
yes. I have some questions for
Yeah,
you.
go ahead.
Um, I know this. Yeah, we are now in the third week. After the fourth week, we there is
After 30
I-
days
yes, after 30 days, when you not have, I think, 1,300
in
euro
your
in
balance,
this
yeah.
account. Genau, this is around, I think, 199
Dollars,
euro.
yeah. Dollar,
Okay,
yeah. It's a little bit less than euro.
okay, yes.
Yeah.
This is then for every month to pay until you no, not until you have 1,300.
Yeah,
Then
if you
it's
if you just reach the 1,300, you don't pay anything.
okay. Mhm.
Yeah, that's it.
And with the to get out get the money out of this account, or the profit to get out was also after a month
After a
now.
month, yes. Yeah.
Yes, and this is also a little bit different in this with this account. You can do this every day, or you have
You can
some.
no, it's like your own bank account. You can
Ah, okay,
you can put
okay,
money in, it's like your money, you
ah,
can do
okay,
whatever you want.
yes,
There's no
okay,
rules, there's only like the when you are with prop firms, the funded
yes,
accounts, you
yes,
buy an account with specific rules.
yes,
That's so you need to follow the rules. How
yes,
much drawdown you can have, how much you can lose in a day, how much you can lose in total,
mm,
and so on. This is your money, you
hmm,
know. Nobody
okay,
can tell you what to do. The
yes,
broker have some rules, like you cannot do something illegal, like arbitrage trading through them and so on. So,
of
but we
course,
don't do that anyway. But it's
yes,
your money. If you want to withdraw, you withdraw. If you want to put more money,
okay,
you can do whenever you want, daily, weekly, whatever you want.
okay.
Yeah.
And what is your experience? Because I was thinking about to put more money into this
Yeah.
to start to get maybe 2 or 3 thousand out of this income in a month.
Yes.
What you're thinking about how much I have to put into
Put
this
in.
to also to get this money out and also to grow
Yeah.
with this money. What
Okay.
is your experience?
That's a very good question. So you want to make in profit around 2 to 3 thousand that you can take
Yes.
out, and a little bit more to grow the account. So let's say
Yes.
3 to 4 thousand euros.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So this depends a little bit on your risk.
Okay.
When you trade, how much do
Yes.
you risk? How is your lot size and so on?
Hmm.
What I would recommend, now you've been working for 1 year, you've tried things, you didn't make money,
Mm.
so you've already risked. So what I would do is I will make small risk, like if the lot size, I'm just giving an example. If the
Mm,
lot size is zero point 0.5, I will use 0.3.
mm,
Just to like I will make less money, but if
mhm,
I make a mistake or if something happened, I will also lose less money.
mhm.
That's the first thing I would do. And I would do this for at least 3 months. Like work
Okay.
with less lot and a bigger account size. Because the bigger your account size is and the less your lot size is, you can do so much more. It's much
Okay.
more easy to trade
Yes.
because the losses are small, the wins are fine. That's how you need
Yes.
to look at it. So I
Okay.
would say like if we look at the last year, just results,
Yes.
and I would not take my account because I trade a little bit more aggressive than most
Yes.
people in the group because I have a big account, so I can, even if I trade so aggressively, it's still not aggressive in compared to my account. I could do more
Yes.
aggressive, but I don't do that. But if we take like percentage wise, we like you could make, if you do it correctly, you could make around 30 to 40% in profits a month.
Mhm.
That's very, very well.
Yes.
And let's just say you want to risk less, you know? So let's say you
Yes.
can make, let's say you can make 20 to 25%. Then you can
Mhm.
just calculate backwards. Like, okay, if I have 10,000 and I make 20%, that's 2,000.
Yes.
Uh, but if I risk more,
Of course.
I can make 3,000 or 4,000 from
Mm.
the 10K. So that's why I say like it's better to have a bigger account and
Mhm.
risk less.
Yes. I understand.
Yeah, that's what I would do. And the
Okay.
best way to really figure it out is having an account, let's say 3, 4, 5,000, whatever, 10,000,
Mhm.
whatever. I don't know your finances, but
Yes.
whatever you can afford to,
Mhm.
and then try not high lots, try small lots, and
Mhm.
then slowly increase. And then you can see, okay, now I used zero point 0.1 or 0.2. I won whatever, I won 100 euros.
Mhm.
uh, okay, that's nice. And then you lost another trade. I lost, let's just say, 100 euros. Did that
Mhm.
feel good for you compared to your account? If that feels good for you, that's what you can do. If you
Okay.
feel, oh, this is stressing me too much, then
Mhm.
your lot size is too high.
Okay. Yes, I understand. Yeah.
Yes. It's
Okay.
very simple, actually.
Yes. Okay.
Any other questions?
No.
Hannah, it was a pleasure speaking to you and meeting you. And I really want to speak to you again in 1 to 2 months, maybe two
Of
months,
course.
because then you
Yes.
have developed. And
Yes.
and again, if you have any questions, you just text the support. And
Yes,
then
of course.
I wish you all the good luck and yeah, test and learn.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much,
Perfect.
and thank you for the
You're welcome.
opportunity for
You are
us.
welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day too.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye bye.